Vlogs. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I needed an upgrade. The Phantom 4 Pro is the top of the range of the Phantom series, the newest one. So I said, okay, I'm gonna bite the bullet, get the NDA filter as well with it. It can shoot all the way up to 4K at 60 frames per second, 20 megapixel camera, 30 minutes flight time, and 5 directional obstacle avoidance, including downwards, so you can fly indoors. It's an absolute beast of a machine. So we'll get into the box now and give you a proper in-depth look. The actual box itself that it comes in is quite sturdy. Hard kind of foam casing, also has a bit of a lock at the top here, so all you do is twist it to release. So I'll pop it down here. So here we are. This is the Phantom 4 Pro. As you can see, the obstacle avoidance on the front, sides, and then the back, and then also at the bottom. This is the amazing camera that the Phantom 4 Pro comes with, which is the 20 megapixels as I was saying, and the 4K up to 60 frames, so we'll leave that there. We also have the remote controller, so I went with the one without the built-in screen. I know you can get one with the built-in screen, but I kind of prefer being able to use it with other applications as well. You can use it with a phone, with a tablet. We have a bit of a starter guide, some safety guides as well about how to use a drone safely. We have our propellers in this bag. Yeah, so you get 8 propellers, so if you break 4, you have an extra 4 left over. Power brick cable here, a few other connectors. These connectors are used from the controller into your tablet or mobile device. UK power brick, and yeah, that's it. Yeah guys, this is basically just a rundown of what you get in the box. I'm really excited about it. I was flying the 3DR Solo before this. I'm now going to be flying the Phantom 4 Pro. I can't wait to share the content that I create using this drone. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have a question, but also subscribe to the channel because I hope to bring you more videos like this, but also more videos of maybe just actually flying the drone. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as I said, drop it in the comment section below, and thanks for tuning in.